Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back to work on this 2021 Fireblade SP. It may not look like much, but these are the key components I've been waiting on to start to put together the rest of the bike. And these pieces right here are from my good friend Ben from the YouTube channel Ben Jammin' Outdoors. And this piece right here may fix our brake lever issue. And also, this fuse box cover, which I was missing on the Fireblade, came with fuses. Wow, Honda, going above and beyond. Along with some much needed brackets, which we're gonna replace these ones, which I don't wanna have to straighten out to where they should be. And it looks way better to just have fresh brackets. Along with a bunch of other fresh bolts. And most importantly, the bolt I broke off on the other side, and man, this thing is light. But let's get to it and start assembling this Fireblade. First side fairing on. Along with the fins inside the two-piece side fairings, man, these are tough, and OEM fit pretty snug. And these fairings from A Moto Part, I believe they are made in a mold, so they were tough to fit together, and there was some trimming that was needed, but A Moto Part did a pretty good job on this mold. By the way, if you guys are looking for some fairings, I got a discount code in the description for their website. Check it out. And I'll show you the difference between OEM and aftermarket. OEM, you can do that. Aftermarket, no way. And this Fireblade comes together from top to bottom. The belly fairings are last on the bike. So let's keep moving, crack open the rest of the side fairings for the right side, slap them on. So we are about to finalize the belly pan on this Fireblade, but let me tell you how I messed up. On the ground here, there is a bunch of white plastic shavings from this side fairing piece right here, and I thought that a moto part did wrong with their mold, and it wasn't fitting together very well, so I had to trim up a bunch of brackets. But turns out I was in the wrong, because this side I literally just forced together, slapped in, and look. That is perfect all the way throughout. Everything is fitting up perfectly. Thought some trimming had to be done. That's false. It fits together perfect. Same on the belly pan. They're fitting together amazingly with all the plastic tabs on the bottom, and it's gonna bolt right up. So when in doubt, don't trim stuff because you can't go back. Now we're gonna finally put together the new hardware we got earlier on the rest of the belly fairings, as well as sand down the red on the end of this bolt, make it clean, and slap it on right here for the new belly pan. All of the under and front fairings are on. That looks good. Everything is fitting just like factory, and that gold and white is beautiful. And I don't think I'll ever get over this front shot. Man, that's killer. Now, this may not be evident on camera, but every bike manufacturer uses different hardware. Honda, for instance, is in love with these rubber grommets that have threads on the inside. And man, these are like gold on a Honda. They use them for almost all the mounting points all over the bike. And the second most common fastener is these pieces right here. Now, these are one-step push pins. You install them like this, and then once they're in place, you push it and it clicks together, expanding that middle ring. And these bad boys go in all the slots that are extremely hard to get to with a screw. Now I am having to drill out this hole a little bit because it is just a tad bit too small with that mold. But we're good now, and boom, there we go. Flush. Honda loves these. And same on the other side. Boom, there she is. And now the front and belly fairings are officially 100% attached. But now it's time to try and work some magic with this brake lever and the piece that Ben sent over to us. Going to attempt to press this bearing out along with this end piece, swap it over to the Fireblade handlebar. First, you wrap it in a blanket so it's nice and warm. we got brakes. Big thanks to Ben for that piece we were missing. Man, this thing works perfectly. And now we have the original lever style on here, which was what I was going for. Now, hey, yeah, it would be easier, more expensive though, to buy a new master cylinder and some levers. But I have never pressed out a brake pin for the brake lever before, so that was a cool learning experience. And way cheaper than the easier option. Brakes are a bit squishy. There's a bit of play in the lever. We'll be able to take care of that easily though later, bleeding the brakes. Now with both levers on the bike, you can kind of tell how the clutch and brake levers are drastically different. This one is super curved, and this brake lever is not as curved. It's kind of throwing me off in the front, but we have one more piece for the front in a box over there, so let's get it. Open it for you guys. Giveaway time for you guys. Now I didn't do a giveaway in the last video, so here we're gonna do 2 giveaway winners. Scroll through the first one and boom, you just won a keychain, and boom, you just won a keychain as well. Both of you please message me on Instagram at c.j.media and pick whatever keychain you want from all these options right here, and we'll get that shipped over to you from Moto Loot. Cheers guys.